Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Softcode Solutions. We will be sharing software development and coding tips, tricks, and tutorials from basics to advanced techniques. Expect bit-sized videos, straight to the point, no fluff. We will help you to learn quickly and efficiently. Let's code and learn together. Now in this video we will learn how to install a VS Code. It just simply search on the Google VS Code downloaded. Now click on this link, click on the window. If you have Mac, then click on the Mac option. Now look at the top right. The VS Code is downloaded. Just click on the now click just OK. Agree the terms and conditions. Next. Now see how simple is that. Now VS Code is downloaded. Just click next. The main difficulty in the VS Code is that we press Ctrl S to save the file, but in this way we don't need to press Ctrl S. Just simply click on the file option and select the autosave button. The file are automatically saved if you type something in the VS Code. Now thank you for watching. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.